All right, you guys, here are the 2024 Twin Cities Auto Show. Work my way around to some classic vehicles here. You can kind of tell over here. This is here over here. They got all kinds of stuff over here. They got everything. This store is always here. Flags and whole 9 yards. But we're here to look at trucks and cars and these big dogs. Silverado 2024, 80 grand, big dog. Let's reach up here and look, shall we? What does it look like in there? I can't see anything. What do you see? I do love the, it's Cambridge Motors. Another Silverado here. Big dog. That sucker. Allison transmission. Are the best right there.
That's really comfortable and I like it.
Big ass. 75 grand. Give or take 80. Let me get into the Honda here. All-wheel drive. We'll go over here to the custom garage over here and work our way over the other side. So, building over here. This is a wild color, kinda. Bronco 2023. No, they won't let you in that bad boy. Look at that. $65,000 vehicle. Let's go in here and look at this stuff in here, shall we? Go in here. Bronco. Yukon. It's kind of a, I like this color right here. I like that. That's a nice one. I love that truck right there. That's nice. Shine on, very, very nice. It's a custom garage. That bad boy. She's over here measuring the tires. That's a nice vehicle. I like that one.
You guys do it right there in your
Look at all that stuff in there. It's just how tight is it in there.
Is there a place in Ramsey called Blair or something? They do the plastic too.
Like that blue. It's nice. Let's go over here.
It's self-healing.
Excuse me.
It's a lot stronger than.
Yeah, that's a nice vehicle right there. I like it. Love the tires on that son of a bitch. It's nice. I'd buy that one tomorrow. Cab and a half. Rosehill Chevy. Nissan. Another Bronco. 66,000. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Kona. I think we got a GMC over here. Look at that big dog right here. Let's go over here and look at this one real quick. Got the Sierra. It's a big dog. Man, you've got a Toyota sitting over here. You can tell that one. Tundra. Force Max. Walzer, 82 grand. Nice. That's a camper one right there. We'll go back into there. look at some more of the stuff, then we'll get over to the classic trucks. Oh, you got the music in the background. You got the cruiser one. Get away from the music. You're gonna get a. I wonder if this could be hell. So we gotta get out of there. And then they have the music in there. It can kind of have a problem with that. So that's a cool one. I like that. So I'm gonna get over here to Unique. They have some new cool stuff over here. I've been before. This is a 1960 Corvette. Nice. 79, 80 grand. It's nice. There you go. Very nice. What do you think, huh? So these are all. This is all the stuff I know to look at right here. Unique. All these cars in here. They do. It's a '56 wagon. Won $100,000 for that bad boy. Can't tell. The Bel Air. Period in there. This one's, I don't know, it's an SS. This is a nice vehicle right here. This one's nice. They do good work. They're down in Mankato. It's nice. Little Monty. Regal, whatever the hell it is. Nice. Got a Nova. In Spanish, it's called No Go. Want $59,000 for that bad boy. Get into this 4-door classic. Right, look at that. Epic 96. I wouldn't pay 40 grand for that bad boy. I mean, it's cool, but here's one right here. 283. See, I'd buy this one, this Mustang. This I'd buy. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. And here's the prize one right here, Thunderbird. Sucker is nice. Look at that color on that bad boy. Very nice. I'd buy this in a heartbeat for 70 grand. Damn right I would. Nice. But they do good work. You can tell people are fawning over this bad boy. 59 Thunderbird. That too, getting that sucker. 2-seater. Big 2-seater. But anyways, video 1, 30th day of March, 2020 Twin Cities Auto Show.